Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hi, hola, bienvenidos, bienvenida. My name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes. Today's video, you guys. So we tested almost a full face. Well, not exactly full face. We're testing some new products, okay? I'm always at Walmart and I found some new brands. We have a brand called KAB Cosmetics. We have Bedoya Beauty, which is from an influencer on YouTube and on Instagram. We also have some Baddie B lashes, which are on the floor, so don't mind that. Baddie B lashes are Jenny 69's new lash line. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And I'm going to be playing with color on the eyes. I wanted to create a summer fun look with pink and yellow. Obviously the pink inspired by my shirt and the yellow inspired by the sun. Just kidding. Just a summer tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you some hits and misses. We definitely had some misses in this video. So I hope you're buckled in, get ready for the ride. Grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. We're going to start off with the face just to get it out of the way. For my primer, I'm taking the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control. This one is really good. It's a little bit obviously more on the expensive side, but I think it does a pretty decent job at really locking in the oil, extending the wear of your makeup, and just making a clear canvas for the pores. But there's so many drugstore primers now that literally do the same thing that sometimes I'm like, was that even worth the purchase? But you know, it is what it is now. So I'm just going to prime the face all over. So to make sure that the powder foundation doesn't go anywhere, I am going to take a little bit of the e.l.f. Mint to Be primer. This is just tacky. Mr. Lincoln is with me today. He is over here probably making a mess. I have him entertained with like toys and chips and stuff like that, but he's a boy. I'm actually going to let that sink into the skin for a few minutes, and while I do that, I'm going to prep the lids. Alright, you guys, I had to jump into a voiceover mode. So today we're playing with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. We're going to start off with the shade Certified, which is a matte off-white cream color. This is going to go right underneath the brows to create a base for the next shadows. Next, I'm going to take the shade Dance Party, and I'm going to take that to the outer corner. Lincoln was just being too rowdy, so I decided to jump into voiceover mode. I'm going to take that on a soft blending brush, and then taking a clean brush and just blending out the edges to make everything look super soft as usual. Then once you have everything blended out, we're going to go in with a third shade, which is called Lolly Mama. This is like a bubblegum pink, and that's going to go into the crease to, again, just soften up the shades that we already have laid down. I did want to go with a little bit of depth into the eyes, so I'm going to take the shade Crazy and add that into the outer corner. Not really bringing it in too much, but concentrating that on the back just to keep that intensity on the outer corner. This just really makes the eyes look super like seductive and pretty, and I love it. Chef's kiss. Next, I'm going to go in and cut the crease using my concealer, patting the concealer in, and that is it. You are done with your cut crease. Once I have that, I'm going to go back with the shade Certified, and this is going to go all over the lid. Love this shade. It's so easy to work with. And then I'm going to go back into Lolly Mama, and I'm going to actually use that as an eyeliner. As you can see here, I'm just dragging it into the lash line, and then as I'm blending it back, I am also using that as a transitional shade, and I go back with the same shades that we applied in the crease and blending out the edges to make everything look nice and diffused. I'm going to take this e.l.f. pastel eyeliner in the shade Sunshine. It's a beautiful yellow, and this is going to go into the waterline to make the eyes pop. Then we're going to test out the Baddie B lashes. I have two styles. This is the style Extra, and this is the style Saucy. I went with the style Saucy. I ended up doing an eyeliner, and then I just kind of like smoked it out a bit. I just felt like this look needed the eyeliner. So now we're back to not a voiceover. Sorry, Lincoln was just not staying still. He was being super loud and I just couldn't do a normal tutorial. So we're gonna jump onto the skin. I'm gonna take the foundation that I've been using so much lately. This is the Beauty Creations powder foundation in the shade 11.0. I love how it works on the skin, and I'm telling you, if you apply a sticky primer underneath, it really just keeps it a lot longer. And this is a foundation for oily skin. I think just powder foundations in general go better with oily skin. I picked up the new Morphe 2 Hide and Peak concealer in the shade Peak of Fawn. I don't know how good this is going to be, but we're going to try it. I did go a little bit lighter because I wanted something to really brighten underneath the eyes. And then once I do that, then I'm going to go back and reapply the yellow on the lower lash line. Okay, this is definitely not full coverage, and I know that the Morphe 2 is more natural. It's supposed to be not so like full coverage. That was kind of my bad. I totally forgot that this isn't supposed to be full coverage. The color is nice though. I like how brightening it is underneath the eyes. So to set underneath the eyes, we are trying out, this is a new brand called Cobb Cosmetics. And oh no, it came shattered. But this is a new brand at Walmart. I honestly don't know much about it, and I'm sorry that I didn't do my research. I just kind of decided to film last minute. But this one was $20, and it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 palettes. These palettes are really, really big, you guys. It comes with a translucent banana, suntan, caramel, cinnamon, sunshine, sculpted, and bronzed shade. So it's kind of universal. Like there's a lot of undertones or tones that can actually use this contour palette. That's what it was called. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Banana. I feel like that's a little bit yellow, so I'm going to take a little bit of translucent. Oh wow, oh my gosh, that's really pigmented. I'm going to set with this. Oh wow, that's really soft. It's very velvety. I don't feel like it's drying underneath the eyes, and there's definitely pigment to it. That's super, super nice. I thought the price point was, it was okay. NYX has a contour palette like this for about the same price, $20. So not too bad. And you're getting a lot of products in the pan. So that's kind of a plus. I'm going to go in and just bronze up the skin. And we're going to contour a little bit using this same the same palette. I'm going to take the shade, I think Suntan and Caramel. I'm going to use these shades to bronze up the skin. Oh wow, Suntan is beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. That gives you just the right amount of like bronziness without overdoing it. Do you see how it's giving me that really pretty like caramel bronze? That's exactly what I'm looking for in a bronzer. I don't like anything that's too cool toned. I'm going to take this brush from Artist. These, you can find them at Walmart. And I'm going to take the shade Sculpted. And I'm going to apply it right here with the tip of the brush. And then I'm going to make sure that I blend it upwards. It does have a red undertone. So this one is going to suit deeper tones. Oh, but that's pretty. I like that. So for the blush, I don't have anything new, but there is a palette that I've been totally obsessed with, and I know that this is sold out, so I'm sorry, but sign up for her newsletter because her stuff is so cute, and if you want to support a small business, these are the times to do so. This is the Blushing Bubbles palette by the brand Metamorphosis. They are a very small brand. She reached out to me a while ago and sent me some really cute stuff. I also did a full review on some other of her products. If you want to check it out, you can click on the card up here. But my absolute favorite shade has been You're a Cutie. This is the perfect like soft peach color. But because I am wearing more of a pink eye look, I am going to take a little bit of Juicy Fruits. But I'm first going to lay this one down. And I take the blush up here. I don't really focus it on the apples of the cheeks just because I do have a more rounded face. So the face is really matte right now. It's so full of powder. What I want to do is I want to set it with a quick little mist and then go in with a highlight. Before that fully dries, I am going to take a new brand at Walmart as well. There's so many brands coming to Walmart, which is really exciting, honestly. So this is the brand Bedoya Beauty. If you don't know who what's her name, Isabel Bedoya is, she is a really big influencer on Instagram. I've actually been following her for a lot of years, and I really like her videos, like her makeup tutorials. She's super creative, she's beautiful, and she just makes makeup so fun. So this is the packaging. She has a highlighter, she has a few palettes, and I actually picked one up, but I'm not gonna lie, I was disappointed when I opened it. So this is the eyeshadow palette. The packaging is pretty cute, not really my style. It honestly looks a little bit cheap. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I bought, and oh hello. And I just didn't want to use it because honestly, like, this color story doesn't really make sense. I get that you can put this in the crease and maybe these as transitions, then this all over the lid, but there was just something about the palette que no me gustó, and so I decided not to use it. But I am going to try out her highlighter. Now the thing with her makeup products is that they don't have the actual name on the packaging. They only have it on the like cardboard box or whatever it comes in, which I'm like, okay, that's kind of weird, but whatever. I'm gonna try out her highlighter. She has, I think, different shades. This is like the second one. So we're just gonna pop that on. And I'm honestly expecting for this to be pretty blinding because most of her makeup tutorials that she does, her highlight is always super, super intense. So there is a highlighter. It is really pretty, actually. The undertones are perfect for a woman of my color. But it's nothing that the drugstore doesn't already offer. So with that said, I'm going to jump back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. And all I'm going to do now is take the shade No Joke, which is that beautiful bright yellow. And I'm going to throw that underneath the lower lash line. We're going to finish off the look by applying our lipstick. I went ahead and lined my lips using this e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner. No name, but just a soft brown. For the lipstick, I'm going to take this one by Bedoya Cosmetics. Again, the packaging is just, it's a little much for me, you know, like, I get it, it's maybe her thing, but this just looks so cheap to me. And the little crystals, like one of them was peeling off. I had to like pop it back on. It's just too much for my personal taste, pero mira, cada quien with their own taste. So the shade, I think this one was called Nude or something. She didn't have too many. Now that I opened it, I'm like, this looks like the color of my skin. So wish me luck. I'm actually going to fill in the lips a little bit and we'll see how it looks. Oh, oh, that smells so weird. It smells like, I don't even know. That smells so, it smells like plastic. Oh, honey, no. Oh no. I can't get over it. These smell like kids' makeup. No, the color is just not it for me either. I mean, it's pretty. If I blend it in, I think I can make it work. I'm actually going to switch lip liners. Let's see if we can make this look a little better. I'm going to take this new Jaclyn Cosmetics lip liner. The formula is just, it's a little, it's not sheer, but it's just not going on the lips. Like, anytime I rub my lips, like, I can see it separating. I don't know how to describe it. I don't like the color. I don't like the formula. Like, this is just, it's not it for me. I'm actually going to take this off. No, that's a big pass. I had to switch to the lipstick because it was just driving me crazy. If you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I used the Jaclyn Cosmetics Hot Tea Lip Liner, and then I paired it with the Juvia's Chic lipstick. This is what a lipstick formula should feel like, not, it was like tugging on my lips. And then for the lip gloss, I'm using this CoverGirl Exhibitionist lip gloss in an unknown shade. I don't know what this is, but this is the final look. So what are my thoughts on these products? Are these a hit or a miss? So really quickly on the new Cobb, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, cosmetics. They do have other products. I didn't pick up everything because I wanted to test out a little bit of everything from each brand. But wow, I am completely in love with this contour palette. If you have been looking for something affordable that has different shades, that is creamy, pigmented, and velvety, definitely it's under 20 or it's $20. So as far as the brand from Bedoya Beauty, unfortunately, these are a huge miss for me. I didn't like the products at all. I mean, the highlight was good. It was good. I really did like the highlighter. But again, it's not something that I'm like excited or looking forward to using again. The eyeshadow palette, I didn't even want to try it because the color story just really disappointed me when I opened it. The lipstick, honey, no. This is the packaging and the formula is a big no for me. But other than that, I think those were the only new products that I wanted to try out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, kind of testing some new drugstore makeup. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are on these new beauty brands from Walmart. If you're going to pick up anything, let me know in the comments, okay? I will be listening. I will be talking to you, so make sure you drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new beauty videos every day. Thank you for joining me today for Makeup Monday. I love you all, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!